Have you ever wanted to increase brand awareness, engage your customers, maximize conversions, grow your sales? Well, you're not alone. Many business owners face the same problem every day. The good news is, we've got you covered. Discover the brand new Get Response Forms, a one-stop solution for all you marketers, entrepreneurs, techies, non-techies, bloggers, and conversion lovers. It's smart, simple, and lovable. Just watch. Meet Mariah. She's a savvy online marketer and publisher. Needless to say, she likes to try different things and think outside the box. Now she can choose from a wide variety of customizable list builder apps to help her grow and monetize her contact list. The scroll box makes it easy to turn blog readers into subscribers. With a download box, she can quickly share her ebooks and keep content crunchers coming back for more. The exit pop-up helps minimize bounces, so you're not leaving money on the table. Shake box, image box, fixed bar, and more. Now, free inside Get Response. And this is Veronica, a growth hacker for a large B2B company, always thinking about conversions and creative ways to increase sales. She needs a solution for A/B testing her sign-up forms and managing exit intent. With over 500 designer-quality form templates, each with a thank you page, she's bound to find a sign-up form that will hit the jackpot. 10 categories of form templates, 5 different formats, and the website color magic tool make it easy to meet every business need. Meet Bob. He's got a prosperous coffee shop near a busy office building. Bob is creative and likes to surprise his customers with new promos and menus. With categorized form template types and over 500 ready-to-go designs, he can quickly choose one that matches his business needs and website layout. Now he's prepared for any situation, with forms for updates, sign-up, free delivery orders, Christmas promo, and more. Staying connected with customers has never been simpler. Feeling more advanced? Here's Theo. He's a freelance web designer who needs clean code for total design freedom. Theo will love using our easy HTML editor to generate the code that sends data to Get Response. All he has to do is add his unique style, and voila! So, as you can see, different people, different needs. With the new Get Response forms, we've got you covered. Which ones are right for you?